It's simply a photo of a dress, and the issue is, what colour is it? It's obvious, isn't it? It's white and gold. No? No.
Well, can I ask you one question? It's so simple. Have you seen this?
Oh, my daughter just said
that. Yes, we have.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, what colour is it?
Blue.
Grey blue.
I see white and gold.
No way.
It's not white and gold. It's gold and white.
Gold and white.
White and gold. That's what I see, anyway.
What?
Yeah.
No way, that's black and blue. No way. I just can't see.
Yeah, definitely white and gold.
And it wasn't just the street that had been talking about the dress. This shows the world's internet traffic, the white areas, the number of people discussing that dress. So what colour is it? It's blue and black. And here it is, in the place where they made it.
Wow, it's a great surprise for us because we produce a royal blue dress, and suddenly when you look at it in the screen, sometimes it shows ivory and gold or royal blue and black. So it's an enigma.
So why the confusion? The answer is down to the rods and cones in your eyes. They're the receptors for shape and colour. Each of us has a slightly different setting, and by chance this picture highlights those differences to an almost unsettling degree.
Blue and grey, definite, 100%.
White and gold.
You're winding me up.
That's
Are you
blue.
turning my spanner? Are you?
David Solito, BBC News.
No, you just tell me what